Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. I'm your host Paul Burkett from Blue Square Management, and in today's podcast I'm going to be talking about how to be successful on Twitter. As a small business owner, you are probably thinking, how can a social media platform like Twitter impact my business? What can I really say in 280 characters? If this sounds like something you would say, you could be further from the truth. Social media has proven to be an effective marketing strategy for small businesses. With the technology-driven world we live in today, consumers expect all businesses, large and small, to be on social media and provide them with updates, sales and information at the press of a button. Twitter is not just for teens, tycoons and celebrities. It is a marketing tool that can help grow your business, and many smart small business owners are using Twitter as one of their main online marketing tools in their online marketing tool belt. The numbers are convincing. Twitter has been around since 2006 and has grown substantially. Today, there are more than 330 million monthly active users, according to stats released by Twitter on their website, with almost 500 million tweets sent per day. You can see why this is a powerful marketing tool for any small business owner. As staggering as these stats may seem, you are probably asking yourself, how can Twitter help my business? Here's just a few strategies you can implement to build your own brand on Twitter. 1. Connect. With a number of active users on Twitter, it makes it one of the best places to look for and connect with potential customers. Small businesses that cater to a niche market find that they can connect to their existing customers and interact with new customers easily, allowing potential customers the opportunity to learn more about their business and their brand, staying informed of sales, promotions and special events. 2. Brand awareness. While the big brands do not need an introduction to get followers, small business owners need and want more people to know about their products and services. Twitter allows you to drip brand information to your followers. Before you know it, you are recognizable, reliable, and known for a brand to thousands of followers. Creating that trust with your followers is key in building lasting relationships with them, which will drive sales for your business. 3. Relationships. Positive relationships are the key to growing your business. Your Twitter followers will feel connected to you and your business as you make an effort to post updates and tweets that your customers will find interesting and helpful. Value-driven content is more powerful today than any other type of information presented. There is a balance needed. Keep your direct marketing or sales promotions to a minimum. Too many ads can make you come across to your followers as pushy. 4. Informational marketing. Introducing new products and services or making important announcements via Twitter has some great benefits. Not only is this a cost-effective way to release information on new products and services, but it can also potentially reach millions of people much faster than other marketing methods, such as print ads and even radio and TV. 5. Immediate feedback. Many small businesses are using Twitter to monitor, survey and handle feedback from their customers. This is a very efficient tool in gathering your customers' opinions, and it allows you to respond quickly. Responding to both positive and negative feedback can set your business apart from the big competitor down the street. Managing your online reputation in a professional manner creates a positive atmosphere with your followers. So, Twitter can be a very useful tool for small businesses in a multitude of ways. Twitter can help you reach your customers in ways that you never thought possible. Social media can be the driving tool for small businesses to develop awareness of its products and services. As a small business, you are in the perfect position to use Twitter to your advantage and build your business to heights you never thought possible. Maintain your values and remember the tips I have mentioned. Before you know it, your followers and sales will increase. Social media is not going away. So don't be one of those businesses that struggles and makes the mistakes of ignoring the potential of social media, especially Twitter. It is one of the most economical ways you can increase your visibility and reach your audience, which is why it is so popular among small businesses. Make it part of your online marketing strategy for your small business. reach your audience quicker and easier than ever before. I hope you found this episode helpful, and see you in the next Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing podcast. To keep up to date with our latest podcasts, you can follow us on Anchor.fm, Spotify and Apple Podcasts.